Go to RiceDrive.com and log in using your email and a verification code. Step 1. Add your FTP server to RiceDrive. Enter your FTP server information, including the host, username, and password, / and then click Connect to authorize and add your FTP storage to RiceDrive. FTP Server is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. Go to the My Drives page to view the cloud storage account you just added. Step 2. Connect your pCloud account to RiceDrive. Log in to your pCloud account. Click the Allow button. pCloud is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. Now, both pCloud and FTP Server are successfully connected to RiceDrive. Step 3. Create a cloud transfer task from FTP Server to pCloud. Select the files or folders you want to transfer from the FTP server. Select a destination folder in pCloud for the files transferred from FTP server. In the task settings, you can configure filters and choose how to handle existing files. In the schedule settings, you can schedule the task to run daily or weekly. Click the Start button to create and execute the transfer task. The task has started. Even if you close the web page, RiceDrive will continue running the transfer in the background. The task has been completed successfully. Please check the logs to make sure all files were transferred properly. The folder has been successfully transferred from FTP Server to pCloud. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.